We are being bombarded with so much information about water, technology, air, pollutants, etc., 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 etc. And it's great because the more information we have, the more informed we can make our decisions. Now, what my colleagues and I have done is actually pull together the best of the best information, the latest cutting edge information about hydrogen rich structured water so that we can present that in a 5-part series to educate you as the consumer so that you can make better choices as it relates to what you're going to put in your body and your loved ones. Yes, we will be doing a 5-part series on the structure of water, the energy that water produces, why it produces a certain type of energy, how water is charged, and how water is charged by nature versus how water is charged by these ionization machines. Two different monsters. You need to really get clarity on that. The remineralization process. Is my water supposed to remineralize my body? Absolutely. And last but not least, the detoxification process that comes along with hydrogen rich water. We have structured with nature a water that not only hydrates the body, not only energizes the body, but it also pulls the free radicals out of the body so the body can detoxify itself. This is the platform we're bringing to you and you and you.